to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
One of these surprises is not like the other. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of these surprises is not like the other. So, which is different? That one! Oh yeah!
Darth Vader egg! The other 3 are Stormtrooper eggs!
Now, let's see what's inside. Oh, red R2-D2!
Stormtrooper shake!
C-3PO!
Stormtrooper pop! Star Wars!
Shake! Pop!
Stormtrooper surprise!
Woo, we got it! Great job!
School's out.
A+, good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy!